What's up everybody? So today's video we are going to check out the sound differences between the stock Nissan GT-R exhaust and then comparing it to the AAM Competition Resonated Midpipe. And real quick, for all of our subscribers, you guys all get a 10% discount on all AAM products. So if you're a Z car, one of the Infinity sports cars, or of course a GT-R, give AAM a call, send them an email, mention Bros for Speed, and you guys will all get hooked up. So that's super exciting to be able to work with them and help out all of our subscribers and get some amazing parts for some really good pricing. So anyways, let's get to the video and check out how much better the GT-R is starting to sound.
Launch control does not get old in this car. Once you're ready for it, you just keep your body back. So as a driver, I definitely notice a difference. Just between shifts and I'd say above 4,000 RPM, you just hear that throaty, meaty sound that the GT-R can make. Oh man. So when you pin it, in between shifts, it has a really good sound to it. I love the way it sounds. It definitely gives it just that extra bit of noise that it's completely missing in the stock form. The GT-R has a pretty unique engine and exhaust note, and when they're modified, it sounds amazing. So stock, you really don't hear much with the car, and then adding the mid-pipe under cold start, it's a little bit louder. Normal driving, you really can't tell that it's there, but when you pin it, you hear it, especially if you have the windows down, you can really hear it a lot, and it sounds really, really good. There's no drone, there's nothing annoying about it at all. It's a really good modification if you want your GT-R to have that extra sound to make it sound good, but you don't want anything annoying or anything crazy. So overall, I really like the mid-pipe. It added a great engine note to it. It sounds like a performance car now. It sounds really good. It was a very easy installation. Fitment was perfect, so I have no complaints there.
So with that said, there is a fun little road ahead of me. Let's just finish the video with a POV test drive of the GT-R.